The ketogenic diet or keto diet is a popular way to lose weight. It helps you burn fat for energy instead of carbs. By limiting carbs, your body enters a state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body uses fat as fuel. This diet is known for its quick results. You may see a difference on the scale in just a few weeks. Remember, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new diet. The keto diet isn't just about weight loss. Many people find it helps with energy levels and focus too. It's about making a lifestyle change for overall health. Ready to start your keto journey? Let's explore a delicious and easy to follow one-day keto meal plan. This will give you an idea of what a day on keto looks like. Breakfast is important on a keto diet. It sets the tone for your day. A great option is scrambled eggs cooked in coconut oil with a side of avocado. Eggs are packed with protein. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied. This is key to avoiding cravings throughout the day. Coconut oil is a healthy fat. It provides energy and supports ketosis. Avocado also provides healthy fats, along with essential vitamins and minerals. This breakfast combo is easy to make and will keep you energized until your next meal. It's a perfect example of a keto-friendly start to your day. Mid-morning hunger is normal, even on keto. A small snack can help you stay on track. A handful of almonds or a few slices of cheese are excellent choices. Almonds are a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They help stabilize blood sugar levels. This prevents energy crashes. Cheese is high in fat and protein. It also contains important nutrients like calcium. Choose full-fat cheese options for the best results on keto. These snacks are convenient and portable. You can easily take them with you to work or on the go. Section 4. Fueling your day. A satisfying keto lunch. Lunch on keto should be filling and nutrient-rich. A big salad with grilled chicken or fish is a perfect choice. Load your salad with leafy greens, cucumber, and bell peppers. Leafy greens are low in carbs and high in fiber. They provide essential vitamins and minerals. Cucumber and bell peppers add flavor and crunch. Grilled chicken or fish provides lean protein. Protein helps you maintain muscle mass while losing weight. It also aids in satiety, keeping you full until dinner. Drizzle your salad with olive oil and vinegar for dressing. Avoid store-bought dressings, which often contain hidden sugars. Section 5. An afternoon pick-me-up keto-friendly snack. The afternoon slump can hit even on a keto diet. Another healthy snack can bridge the gap between lunch and dinner. Try a hard-boiled egg or a small serving of guacamole with celery sticks. Hard-boiled eggs are a quick and easy snack. They provide a boost of protein and healthy fats. Guacamole is made with avocado, which is packed with healthy fats and fiber. Celery sticks add a satisfying crunch to your guacamole. They are also low in carbs and calories. These snacks will keep your energy levels stable and prevent overeating at dinner. In Section 6. A delicious end to your day. A keto-friendly dinner. Dinner on keto can be just as satisfying as any other diet. Choose fatty cuts of meat like salmon, steak, or pork chops. Pair your protein with a side of non-starchy vegetables. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are essential for heart health and brain function. Steak and pork chops provide protein and important minerals like iron. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and spinach are low in carbs. They are packed with fiber and essential nutrients. Roast, steam, or sauté your vegetables for a delicious and healthy side dish. Section 7. Conclusion. Your keto journey to a healthier you. This one-day keto diet plan provides a glimpse into what you can eat on this way of eating. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for hydration and helps with digestion. It can also help you feel full and reduce cravings. Listen to your body and adjust portion sizes as needed. The keto diet is about fueling your body with healthy fats and protein while minimizing carbs. Consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major dietary changes. They can provide personalized guidance based on your individual needs and health conditions. Embrace the keto lifestyle and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.